Artificial intelligence could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs. The transition is already underway.
Despite this alarming prediction, there are still AI-proof jobs that will never be replaced by machines, at least for now. This video will discuss 8 jobs that require qualities deeply rooted in the human experience, skills that AI cannot replicate. 1. Teachers. Learning is a crucial aspect of our lives, and teachers play a vital role in shaping who we are as people. Far beyond transmitting information, these educators are idols whose impact resonates with their students. It's impossible to imagine a fully digital teaching experience that can replicate the impact a teacher has on a student's life. 2. Lawyers and judges. Legal systems are complex and require a high level of logic, reasoning, and judgment. It's essential to acknowledge that some situations depend heavily on individual relationships, something no software may duplicate accurately. Lawyers and judges must be able to build personal relationships with their clients and gain a deep understanding of their cases. With the potential for years in prison on the line, it's clear that human judgment and personal experience will always be essential in legal systems. 3. Psychologists and psychiatrists. Despite increased deployment of face detection software in pursuit of AI-driven guidance and mentorship, growing interest has prompted careful consideration of mental health. Human touch is essential when it comes down to supporting people to succeed in their lives and all of the aspects that it can entail. In order to assist a human in their processes, you first need to have had a human experience, so no matter how sophisticated systems might become. 4. Computer system analysts. A human presence is still needed for maintenance, updates, and coordination of complex software and hardware systems. Computer system analysts are in high demand due to the integration of devices through the Internet of Things. This profession will continue to be needed in the future, especially with the belief that people should not allow machines to program themselves. 5. CEOs, directors, and managers. AI can't replace the leadership and communication skills of CEOs, directors, and managers in organizations. Decision-making is a significant part of their work, and there is no algorithm that can fully take on the complexity of their role. Human-to-human connection is key in running successful organizations. That decision-making is a significant part of every manager's day-to-day work, be it for long-term strategy or short-term tactics. Each decision is made on a variety of factors, inputs from multiple departments, and based on years of experience. 6. Politicians. AI cannot replace human-centric decision-making and the ability to understand human needs. Would you really vote for a robot to represent a large human population? Probably not, so politicians, for better or for worse, are not likely to be going anywhere. So that's it, folks. Despite concerns about robots replacing human jobs due to tech disruption and automation, there are still certain roles that artificial intelligence, AI, will never be able to replicate.